Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the track queued in YouTube Music and the recording tool primed. Once done, choose the exact segment you want and set the recorder to capture internal audio, not just microphone. Make sure TikTok is open and set to the same orientation and frame rate you'll record in. You're not wasting time on account setup. This is about capturing the audio correctly so TikTok treats it as your original sound later and keeps the sync clean with your visuals. Now record. Play the YouTube Music segment and record internal audio while you film, or capture audio first and film to match it later. If you record audio separately, mark a clear clap or visual cue to align in editing. This makes syncing fast and exact. Make sure levels aren't clipping and the recorder saves a high-quality file. Once you have both files, import them into your video editor and align audio to the clip using the cue point, trimming both ends to match TikTok's duration limits. Finish by exporting the combined video with the embedded YouTube Music audio and upload it to TikTok. It will appear as an original sound tied to your post. Once uploaded, name the sound in the TikTok editor or caption so you can reuse it. If TikTok mutes the clip or quality drops, re-export using standard codecs like AAC at 128 kbps or higher, and confirm your recorder captured internal audio rather than ambient sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.